Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a chart in Google Sheets. For this example, we'll create a pie chart that shows how a monthly budget is divided across categories, just to give you a clear idea of how it works, but you can choose between a number of chart types which we will discuss later. For the pie chart, we will use this table which shows how much money goes into each category for a monthly budget breakdown chart. To create the pie chart, click and drag to select the range of cells with the categories and corresponding amounts along with the headers. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down, click on Chart. By default, Google Sheets will show a chart at the center of your spreadsheet. A sidebar on the right named Chart Editor will appear. To change the chart into any chart type, go to the Chart Editor on the right. Make sure you're in the Setup tab. Click the Chart Type drop-down. Here, you can select between different types of charts, like line chart, area chart, column chart, and more, depending on your preference. For this example, scroll down and select pie chart. This option looks like a circular chart divided into colored slices. The chart will now update to show each budget category as a portion of the pie with percentage values. Next, let's customize the title. Double-click on the chart title or in the chart editor, go to the Customize tab, click Chart and Axis Titles, then change the title by typing the title text. Let us name this the Monthly Budget Breakdown. You can also change the font, size, and color right below. If you'd like to change the slice colors, go to the Customize tab and go to the Pie Slice section. Click each category under the Pie Slice Selector drop-down and pick a new color from the options under the Color button, which shows a colored circle icon. You can also move the chart anywhere on your sheet by clicking and dragging and resize it by dragging any of the 6 blue boxes along the border of the chart, depending on how big or small you want the chart to be. And that's it! Your pie chart is now ready. So, that is how you create a chart in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.